Hello to the group, John Stewart, Holiday, Utah. I'm going to do an unboxing of my new DJI Mic 3. Doing videos, it's important to have good audio. Usually the phone is really close to my mouth, about a foot away, so I don't really worry about audio this way. But doing stuff out in the wild, out in the field, it's tricky. And I have the DJI Mic 1, but it always needs a dongle to connect to the phone, and you gotta plug it in. And I know, first world problems, don't fault me for that. So I decided, there's funny things going on with DJI right now. They are limiting sales of most of their equipment, most of their stuff, for some reason, because of the government and the tariffs and everything else. And on DJI's website, you can't buy it direct from their website. It says it's out of stock, along with all their drones and a lot of their other stuff. So I said to myself, you know what? I'm just gonna buy this off of the Amazon. So that's what I did. Because I don't know if they're ever gonna be around or you're gonna be able to get them. God forbid I have any problems with this and I have to send it in for repair. Who knows about that? DJI Mic 3. The great thing about this, from what I understand, is that it's Bluetooth enabled, so I can just magically Bluetoothily connect it to the phone and be good with just one of the mics. That's one of the main reasons why I bought it. And evidently the packaging is a bit of a puzzle palace, and sometimes when you're on camera, it's real easy to look like an idiot. I try not to do that as much as possible. I wanna look like I'm all put together. Oh, he give you some stickers and the guide. I will look at that. I'm one of the few males that looks at the guides, the destructions, as I used to like to call them when I was a kid. But I'm older now, so I don't talk like that anymore. That was supposed to be funny. Nice little case. Another little guide, written in all kinds of different languages, maybe. Yeah, all kinds of squiggly lines. That's just great. And this, which who knows if I'll ever use. Got some wind muffs. That's fun. Got some fancy cables. I bought the deluxe package, or whatever it is, the one with all the stuff. Okay, the bag is empty. That's just great. Of course, everything's trying to look like Apple, so it's all packed for your safety. I think the best thing about this is this case. This thing is money. Oh, and it's got another tab right here with some kind of quick release. Good job, DJI. There it is. Boom. And it's a little bit charged. And look at that. Whoa, and it's magnetic. Nice and small. Okay, that's really good. Got the transmitter receiver thing. Boy, I am gonna have to read the dealios. Hey, extra magnets. I guess maybe the magnets can't fit on there or something. I don't know. I'll figure that out. Okay, let's see what's in here. Maybe that's why they get the case, so you can't you have a place for your things. if I'll ever use that. And a large USB-C cable. Great. It's just great. And the wind muffs. And I was hoping that the wind muffs would fit in there somehow. I don't really ever use the wind muffs. And there's different colors. Gray to go with your the chinchilla that you wear when you're recording, and black to go with the mink. Good golly! All right, that's nice. It's lightweight and intuitive. Compact storage, 4 transmitter and 8 receiver capability, and 4 channel output, adaptive gain control, and balanced volume. I think I'm going to like that, the adaptive gain control, along with the 3 voice tone presets. It has presets of I can't use their right nomenclature because I can't remember it, but I'm going to use the brighter one because I want my voice to be brighter. Because it's a little too, I don't know, baritone or bassy. I don't know, whatever. 32-bit float. I don't really care about that. Because this is going to, I do all my recording basically on the phone. And I'm looking at the new phone too. I'm going to get the new phone because it has a bigger sensor and it has a wider field of view on the front camera. Because I just use the front camera all the time when I'm filming. So that's what this is. This is my unboxing and new purchase. It was like $330, and then there was shipping and tax, so it was like $360 or some shiz. But that's the way it is. And it doesn't have the Apple connector plug. It's got the USB-C connector plug for the Apple, but not the old plug, and that plug is like $80 or something on the website, but they don't have them in stock, blah, blah, blah. So I'm hoping Bluetooth works just fine. If it doesn't, I'm going to box it back up and send it back, but I don't think that's going to be an issue. All right. Let me know in the comments if you have this stuff, if you like it. I'm sure it's great. I have the 1st gen. They came out with the 2nd gen. I almost bought that. I waited. And now this is on the 3rd gen. And I think I bought the 2nd gen the 1st gen in 2022. So 3 years ago. And like I said, I love the case. I think it's great. Plug it in, charge it up, good to go. All right. Thanks for watching my weirdness of unboxing. Please like and subscribe. Subscriptions are at 1,053. I just need the watch hours. It's hard to get those watch hours. They're pesky. They're flaky. They're all over the place, but they're never on your account. They're on someone's, doing something about finance or makeup, but never on fishing and technology. All right. Hope all is well. Cheers.